Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Best wishes to all of us. Thank you to attend my class. I'm sorry I couldn't attend the online class a few days ago because of an urgent matters. Okay, before we start today's material, we discuss the survey results regarding the design of our class. Based on the survey results, the majority of students in this class are in their home, and the rest of them are in Malang. 12 of them took advantage of the Wi-Fi facilities available in their home. So, finally, from the result of the class design vote for this semester, it was decided that the majority of students wanted course by video conference by 26.3% or 5 students of your class. I hope it's okay for you. Okay, back to the class. You can download this material by your own Sipejar. Today, we will discuss about accounting information system. Before we talk any further, let's talk about what is the system. What is the differences between structure, process, and the system itself? And what is an accounting information system? To answer those questions, we should understand about accounting system first. Accounting system itself divided into system feature, system definition, and what was the system created for. System feature consists of the elements. These elements will be an integrated part of the system. Elements in the system work together to achieve goals. The system is part of a larger system. And the system definition are a group of elements that are closely related to each other, which function together to achieve a certain goal. And what was the system created for? To deal with something is repeated or routinely implemented. Accounting system development methodology. System development methodology are steps through by system analysis in developing information system. Accounting system development stage including system analysis, system design, and system implementation. Analysis of the system consists of 4 stages. 1. Introduction analysis. 2. Development of proposed system analysis implementation. 3. Implementation of system analysis. And 4. Preparation of report on system analysis results. The source of information in system analysis are 1. The accounting system currently in use. 2. Other internal source, including people in the organization, writing work, paperwork, relation between employees, between departments, or between functions. 3. External source, including other companies that use a similar accounting system, textbooks, magazines, and brochures. The benefit of doing an analysis of the old accounting system are 1. The effectiveness of the accounting system currently in use. 2. Design idea. 3. Identification of resources. 4. Conversion knowledge. 5. Common starting point in leading to new change. Information collection techniques in system analysis are interview, questionnaires, group analysis method, observation, sampling, and document collection. Let's talk about system design. System design consisting of 6 stages. 1. System design in general. 2. Outline of the system design proposal. 3. System evaluation. 4. Compilation of outline system design final report. 5. Detailed system design. 6. Compilation of detailed system design final report. And then let's talk about system implementation. System implementation consisting of the following stages. Preparation of system implementation final report, such as implementation plan, including plan for testing various building blocks of information systems, plan to convert old system to new system, and then result of implementation. For system conversion, there are 4 approaches. 1. Direct conversion. Conversion by direct changeover means that on a specific date, users stop using the old system and the new system is put into use. 2. Parallel conversion. Parallel conversion refers to running the old system and the new system at the same time in parallel, when the same results can be gained over time. The new system is put into use and the old one is stopped. 3. Modular conversion. Modular conversion uses the building of self-contained operational subsystem to change from old systems to new in gradual manner. As each module is modified and accepted, it is put into use. 4. Phase-in conversion. Gradual or phased conversion attempt to combine the best feature of the two previously mentioned plans without incurring all the risk. In this plan, the volume of transaction handled by the new system is gradually increased as the system is phased in. The stages of information system development and the resulting written document. System analysis produce system analysis result report and proposed implementation of system analysis. System design produce final detailed system design report, outline system design final report, and proposed outline system design. And system implementation produce system implementation final report. Symbol for making data flow diagrams. Data flow diagrams means a model that describes the flow of data and processes of processing data in a system. We can see the picture there. Process is a procedure that manipulates the data and its flow by taking incoming data, changing it, and producing an output with it. Data flow. Data flow is the path the system's information takes from external entities through processes and data stores. With arrows and labels, the data flow diagram can show the direction of the data flow. Link. Link explains the beginning of the end of the document stream and redirect to the link symbols on the same or different page. Data storage or archive hold information for later use, like a file of documents that's waiting to be processed. The source or destination of the data explain how the data source came from and how the data to be aimed for. Input or output explain the direction of the data flow shown by a flow line. Symbol for manufacturing flowchart document. Flowchart document means the chart that explains the flow of the document in an information system. We can see the picture there. Document represent a printed document or report. Note represent material or information in entering or leaving the system, such as customer order or input or a product or output. The beginning of document flow originating from the link symbol on the same page represent the beginning connection of the data flow at the same page. Document and copies. represent the document and its copy. Link on the same page indicates that the flow continues where the matching symbols containing the same letter has been placed at the same page. Link on different pages represent indicates that the process continues of page. Various documents represent multiple documents in the process. And the document stream and redirect the link symbol on the same page represent the ending connection of the data flow at the same page. Manual activity indicates a sequence of commands that will continue to repeat until stopped manually. Description comments. Description comments represent that the writer can comment or add the description of the flowchart. Online computer process, a box can represent a single step or an entire process within a larger process. Online storage indicates a step where data gets stored. The intersection of the flow lines represents that flow doesn't meet the same line. Temporary archive represents that file temporarily archived for the future use, arranged by alphabetical, serial number, or chronological order. Keying, typing, and verifying represent a step where a user is prompted to enter information manually. Decision. A decision or branching point lines representing different decisions emerge from different points of the diamond. Meeting of flow lines represent that flow meet at the same line. Enter the system. Represent an external entity which are also known as terminators, source, sinks, or actors are an outside system or process that send to the diagrammed system. They are either the source of information, so they are usually placed on the diagram's edge. Permanent archive represent that file permanently archived and not for the future use. Magnetic tape represent indicates a step where data gets stored by magnetic tape. Flow line represent the direction of the data flow shown by flow line. Start or end terminal. The terminator symbol marks the starting or ending point of the system. It usually contains the word start or end. Exit to other system represent an external entity which are also known as terminators, source, sinks, or actors are an outside system or process that receive data from the diagrammed system. They are either the destination of information, so they are usually placed on the diagram edge. Form. Form is a piece of paper that has room to fill. Benefit of using electronic form, such as never run out of forms, never out of date. Form inefficiency can be avoided. Incorrect use of form is not possible. Form filling speed. Data capture is done once. No floating data. Basic principle in designing forms. 1. Utilizing copies of forms. 2. Avoiding duplication in data collection. 3. Simple and concise form designs. 4. Internal checks elements in designing forms. 5. Company name and address on forms. 6. Form name. 7. Number identification on each form. 8. Larger forms. 9. Line printing on the form. 10. Printed serial number. 11. Design forms that only require filling in the X or check sign or by stating the answer yes or no. Duplicating form and zoning. I think it's enough for today's class. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.